The LEIKE Fitness, the Schwinn 170 or ADVENOR? Perhaps the Exerpeutic or the Marcy? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 upright exercise bikes available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best upright exercise bikes. The 5th product on this list is the ADVENOR X bike. This exercise bike is upright and recumbent with 8 levels of resistance that lets you select your workout intensity level and track your performance data with a real-time digital tracking display. It can be paired with your smartphone to receive notifications as you pedal away. It can overcome the limitations of traditional upright bikes while allowing you to follow your workout regimen comfortably. The LCD monitor with digital tracking display provides a complete workout summary, including distance, elapsed time, speed, total work count, a heart rate that you can also check manually, and calories burned. Also, the seat and handlebars are designed to offer superior comfort with the extra-large seat cushion and padded handlebar grips. This feature allows you to enjoy your exercise experience even more by eliminating any discomfort you may feel. Additionally, the frame is made with steel tubing, so it's easy to fold up for storage when you need to take it somewhere else. It also has pulse sensors that help you track your progress while sitting upright on this convenient bike. Moreover, it can help you lose weight, build core muscles, increase blood circulation and bone density, relax your leg muscles and joints, and relieve the pressure on your knees. This exercise bike is perfect for both men and women, as it has everything you need to have a safe, fun, and effective workout at home. Its pros are: it offers 8 levels of magnetic resistance so you can push yourself harder over time. It has both upright and reclined capabilities, and its pulse sensor and a real-time digital tracking display so you can monitor your progress. However, it doesn't have a huge amount of adjustment, so it may not be suitable for taller riders. The ADVENOR X bike is designed for use by everyone, whether you're a beginner or at an intermediate level, so it's ideal for anyone looking to stay fit and healthy. The recumbent position helps reduce pressure on the joints, while the upright position provides a full range of motion as you pedal forward and backward. Up next in 4th place is the Marcy NS series. This unit is designed to offer you either an efficient, low-impact workout or a new way to challenge yourself. It provides a customizable cardiovascular exercise for beginners through advanced fitness enthusiasts, with a comfortable high-profile seat, with backrest and counterweighted pedals. The LCD screen shows time, speed, distance covered, pulse rate, and calories burned during each session to keep you motivated throughout your workout program. Also, with the ability to choose from multiple resistance levels, customize your training, and focus on particular muscle groups, this bike offers an outstanding balance between form and function. Moreover, this versatile exercise machine is perfect for home use, as it can be used by overweight individuals or those with previous hip or joint injuries. The seat is cushioned and has a built-in backrest to ensure comfort during these intense workouts. And the handles are also adjustable for different heights of users. And the pedals include built-in counterweights for stability. This convenient exercise bike also folds for easy storage and transportation, making it perfect for home gyms or small apartments. It offers a quiet yet effective way to do a calorie-burning workout. Furthermore, it has a sturdy steel frame with a high-quality design so that you can stay focused on your fitness goals. Lastly, this fully adjustable stationary bike allows you to experience the best workout possible in the comfort of your home, whether you're more into cycling, strength training, or weight loss. Its pros are: its comfortable seat with handlebars that can be adjusted to fit different statures, it has an LCD screen that tracks your progress, and it's easy to fold away and store when you need more space. However, the resistance level adjustment doesn't go particularly high, so it can be difficult to challenge yourself. The Marcy NS series is ideal for burning calories, strengthening muscles, and improving overall health through cardiovascular exercises, no matter the weather outside or the time of day. Still haven't found an upright exercise bike that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Exerpeutic 675 XLS. This next unit is a home training powerhouse that burns calories, tones muscles, and improves cardiovascular conditioning. This exercise bike targets every muscle group and adjusts smoothly to your fitness level with up to 400 pounds weight capacity. It comes with Bluetooth smart technology to connect your smartphone to monitor your workouts in real time. Its magnetic tension controller lets you smoothly adjust the resistance level to meet the workout intensity needs, while computerized feedback keeps track of time, speed, distance, and calories utilized. In addition, it has an MP3 input jack, so whether you're watching TV or listening to music while riding this bike, you'll be able to enjoy audio in perfect clarity. Moreover, the built-in heart monitor via pulse sensors in the handlebars allows you to manually check your heart rate while riding or automatically display an average reading on the monitor during a workout each time you pedal. The storage compartment provides space to keep your phone or tablet within easy reach while working out and taking care of other small items, such as keys or water bottles. What's more, this exercise bike has an intelligent wireless connection, allowing you to sync your fitness cycling data through your phone. It will enable you to track your progress and have personalized workout programs directly connected to your home exercise equipment. Lastly, with its heavy-duty steel construction and folding design for easy portability, this upright exercise bike is ideal for your garage, gym, office, or spare room. Its pros are, it is able to fold away to half of the size, it is comfortable to use for beginners, and it has a 400-pound weight capacity, which is nearly double a lot of products on the market. However, some of the assembly instructions are a bit confusing. The Exerpeutic 675 XLS is fantastically practical and has been specially designed to accommodate users of all fitness levels and sizes, so that you can achieve your personal fitness goals faster than ever before. The second product on this list is the LEIKE Fitness LEIKE X. This exercise bike provides real-time data at a glance, making it easy for users to monitor their progress throughout the workout session. It has a 2-in-1 frame, ideal for those who like to switch from upright to recumbent positions. It adopts an advanced magnetron 3-wheel structure and a quiet magnetic resistance system with 2 points, effectively reducing the noise during exercise to a minimum level without disturbing your neighbors. The attached LCD monitor provides the data for real-time pulse rate readings, speed, distance, and calorie consumption. Additionally, it folds up for easy storage and transportation in its original box, which makes it ideal if you live in an apartment or have limited space at home. The bicycle allows you to train daily like a pro athlete at home. It is quiet enough to enable you to prepare as much as you want without disturbing anyone else. Moreover, the handlebars have ergonomic grips for comfort and stability during your workout. Also, its compact design allows you to store it away when not in use. But when you need it, you can easily fold it up and place it in any room in your house. It is also great for therapeutic applications such as muscle toning and rehabilitation. It helps you get fit and stay fit when your busy schedule does not allow for a gym membership. Its pros are, its upright and recumbent options, it offers an effective range of resistance levels, and it has an LCD monitor that provides real-time readings. However, there's no option to adjust the handlebars, so it may not be a good fit for all riders. The LEIKE Fitness LEIKE X is an exercise bike that many people will have a lot of success with. It is well made, very quiet, and can help you meet all of your training goals. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top upright exercise bike is the Schwinn 170. This top unit is great for beginners or advanced users who want an intense cardio workout. It is designed to reflect your style and fit seamlessly into your home. It has enhanced Bluetooth connectivity and offers options to auto-adjust your speed in real time, making this upright bicycle the perfect addition to your home gym. The dual-track LCD screens display heart rate, speed, and distance, giving a complete view of your exercise session. It offers 29 preset workouts to keep things exciting, and the contact heart rate sensors allow for the best possible readings during your training. You will also appreciate the padded contoured seat that offers long-lasting comfort. Moreover, the rail system and ergonomic handlebars will enable you to adjust the unit's angle to fit your preferred workout position. Its various seat options and the oversized pedals with toe straps make it ideal for multiple users of all shapes and sizes. Additionally, there are 25 levels of resistance for a wide range of workout intensity options. This means you can progressively make sessions harder and further improve your fitness levels. It is ideal for those needing more intensive exercise than the traditional cross-training regimen can provide. It is made of high-quality materials that will last a long time. Lastly, this unit has a compact, space-saving design that doesn't take up too much room in your home. So if you want to enhance your home workouts in the most efficient way, this bike has all the features you need to stay motivated and get into shape. Its pros are, it is very quiet, so it can be used at any time without disturbing others. It has 29 workout programs to keep you interested and challenged. It has a great range of adjustment options, so it will fit any size of person. And it comes with a variety of health monitoring and tracking features, so you can view your athletic progress over time. However, it is quite hard to install the batteries into the command console once it has been installed on the bracket. The Schwinn 170 is an outstanding upright bike with enhanced Bluetooth connectivity and a host of innovative features. This exercise machine is equipped with all the features needed for multiple users to get their sweat on. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.